Welcome everyone, I'm Spiro for NewsBud.com. This was another big week for NewsBud, lots going on, and I'm going to show you what you've missed this last week if you're not already a member of the NewsBud community. A membership gets you full access to a lot of top-notch, hard-hitting content every week exclusively available at NewsBud.com, and we'd like to thank everyone who's been signing up. Now, just to let everyone know, NewsBud will be increasing the price of subscriptions starting this Monday, which just happens to be Labor Day. So if you haven't already, be sure to sign up today because once you join, your rate is locked in and will never increase as long as you are a member. NewsBud also revised our subscription page to make it easier for you to join. We are now accepting all major credit cards, and this is important because NewsBud is 100% people funded. We do not run any ads, we do not get any money from the Koch brothers or the Clinton train or George Soros like so many other sites out there. We depend solely on your subscriptions and your donations to finance this operation. And if you take a look at the About Us page on the NewsBud website, you will see we have an amazing team of experts and professionals whose job is to cut through the BS propaganda that we see everywhere and expose corruption and provide expert analysis every day. So make sure you sign up today. Also, there's less than 1 week left to register for the upcoming first annual 9/11 Activist Summit, Titans of Truth. This is a live, interactive, and participatory online conference with an all-star panel. This year's panel, we have FBI whistleblower, founder, and editor of NewsBud, Sibel Edmonds, investigative journalist and producer James Corbett of The Corbett Report, six-time former U.S. Congresswoman and 9/11 investigator Cynthia McKinney, investigative journalist, author, and intelligence expert Wayne Madsen, best-selling author and producer, the man who exposed the Bilderberg Group, Daniel Estulin, plus 2 distinguished guests from the 9/11 whistleblowers and scholars community. Attendees will also get the chance to ask the all-star panel their questions about 9/11. You do not want to miss this one-of-a-kind event, and it's all going down on Sunday, September 10th. Anyone, anywhere in the world can attend this live and interactive event, but there is a limited number of time to register for this. Registration closes on September 7th. That's less than 1 week from right now, so do not wait. Go to newsbud.com and secure your seat today. Plus, members get a discount on registration. This is something we're very excited about, and we hope to see you all there. This week, NewsBud's Roundtable was back in a big way. This is one of our most popular shows for our community members. NewsBud gets the foremost geopolitical experts and tackles the heart of the major geopolitical players and events while providing expert analysis you simply will not find anywhere else. This is truly a one-of-a-kind show. The panelists have lived in these countries, they speak the languages, they have sources, and they are extremely accurate. For example, Sibel Edmonds predicted the Turkey coup before it happened, which is simply amazing. So be sure to tune into this episode titled A Turning Point in the Middle East and the Fall of an Empire to find out the latest from NewsBud's founder Sibel Edmonds, Professor William Engdahl, and Professor Philip Kovacevic. You can see the trailer on our YouTube channel, but for the full, jam-packed 43-minute roundtable, it's only available at newsbud.com. This week, NewsBud published a bombshell investigative report titled Journalist Interrogated and Sacked for Exposing CIA, NATO Arming Terrorists. In this report, NewsBud has an exclusive 20-minute interview with the journalist who obtained the internal documents and broke the story, exposing the weapons trafficking operation conducted by the CIA, NATO, and several other governments to supply weapons to terrorist groups including ISIS and Al-Qaeda. Now, this information has been known for some time, but this is documented proof and hard facts. And these internal government documents expose previously unknown information regarding the ongoing operations. While this is huge information, this is just one aspect of a much larger operation currently taking place. This same report also has NewsBud's founder Sibel Edmonds, who is the one who exposed Operation Gladio B. And she's been covering for 15 years the illegal operations by the CIA, NATO, and other governments smuggling weapons in and drugs out on these diplomatic government flights, and much, much more. Now, this really is a must-see video, and in fact, just today, NewsBud released the full episode that was previously only available for members, which we rarely do. But we were overwhelmed with requests to release the 36-minute report, which includes the 20-minute interview with the journalist who broke the story, and the special report from Sibel Edmonds. So help this information go viral, share it far and wide, and be sure to support NewsBud so we can continue to deliver hard-hitting news just like this. In this week's episode of NewsBud's Geopolitical Report with Kurt Nimmo, Nimmo exposes how the FBI used and is still likely using Operation COINTELPRO to infiltrate political groups on the right and the left to covertly control them in an effort to undermine and discredit them through the Hegelian dialectic of problem-reaction-solution. In this episode titled Charlottesville and the FBI's Connection to White Supremacists, Nimmo lays out how the FBI has not only stirred up politically motivated violence, but has also participated in numerous crimes including murder. It has since come out that indeed the FBI did have people on the ground infiltrating the protests on the day the woman lost her life in Charlottesville. To fully understand what is happening all across the country, you need to watch the full episode, and it's only available for community members at newsbud.com. This week on Newsbud's Russian Newspaper Monitor, Professor Filip Kovacevic breaks down how and why the Russian government is contemplating moving its capital from Moscow to Siberia. Now, that might not sound like a big story, but it is, and there's a lot of underlying information. You're not going to want to miss this. Now, Kovacevic also uncovers covert operations currently underway by the US and NATO to undermine the upcoming Russian elections and sabotage Vladimir Putin and the Russian government as a whole. Now, stop listening to the media about Russia and find out what's really going on behind the scenes every week exclusively at newsbud.com. Now, on this week's episode of Newsbud's Battlefield America with top constitutional attorney John W. Whitehead, titled Tear Gas and Riot Squads, the police state's answer to free speech is brute force. Find out how the government is exploiting political and racial violence so they can crack down with an iron fist of the police state, and how the true victim will be your constitutional rights, only at newsbud.com. Newsbud's China Watch is a must-see for everyone. Peter Lee does an amazing job detailing what the motivations are behind Trump's recent military increase in Afghanistan, and find out about the real U.S. strategy on North Korea, and it's not what you've been hearing from the mainstream media. China Watch will keep you up to date every week only at newsbud.com. Newsbud also offers our own aggregated news, and we call it Sibel's Picks. It's the best source for aggregated news online. I love it. Our community members love it. Newsbud's founder Sibel Edmonds handpicks each story herself, and you get all of this, plus the videos, the articles, the roundtables, the investigative reports, and more, all exclusively available for Newsbud activist community members. So be sure to sign up today. And once you subscribe, your price is locked in, so when the price goes up on Monday, yours will not if you get in before Monday. And we still have many subscribers who are locked in at the $5 per month rate. And for those of you who'd like to preview our work, you can go back and visit our YouTube channel and select the playlists. Go back and see many episodes in their entirety. Newsbud also released an archive video by Kurt Nimmo this week that was previously exclusive for community members. The episode is titled 9/11, Saudi Arabia and the 28 Pages. Now, this is a must-see for everyone. And don't forget to sign up for the 9/11 Activist Summit and use that members discount. We want to deliver the best for our activist community members, but we need your support to do so. For all of us here at Newsbud, thank you for your support, and stay tuned for next week's lineup. For just a small subscription fee, you can become a member of the Newsbud community and help keep this website running. Your subscription will provide you with full community access to exclusive content, including videos and articles from Newsbud's team of experts and analysts. Sign up today for full access at newsbud.com.